That's Gemma for 31 billion parameters running inside Claude Code. One prompt built this entire dashboard, ran it, and verified the output. No GPU, no 20 gigabyte download, no $200 subscription. One command sets this up, and I'll show you the whole thing in the next minutes. Three things by the end of this video. First, the exact one command setup, including the setup that trips most people up. Second, a real agentic task, not code generation, but Claude Code creating a file, running it, and checking its own work on a free model. And third, the honest catch, one real limitation you should know before you rely on this. Here is the entire setup. You need Ollama installed, one installer from ollama.com, 30 seconds. Then this single command connects Claude Code to Gemma 4 running on Ollama's cloud servers. One detail that catches people out, make sure you grab the cloud variant 31B cloud, not the local one, or you will be staring at a 20 gigabytes download. First time you run it, Ollama pops a browser window to log in. Authorize it once and you are done. And that's it. Gemma 4 is live inside Claude Code, nothing downloaded. The model runs on Ollama's servers. Your terminal is just the cockpit. Setup done in under 2 minutes. Now the fun part begins. I am giving it a proper agent task, not write me some code. Anyone can do that. I'm asking for a Python dashboard script, metric cards, and ASCII revenue chart, a transactions table, standard library only, and then run it yourself. That last part is the test. A chatbot hands you code and an agent runs it. So watch the loop. It writes the file, ask to execute, or if you have auto mode enabled, then it will mostly execute on your behalf without asking any permission, runs it, reads its own output. And there it is. One prompt built, executed, verified by a completely free 31 billion parameter model. This is the thing most free models can't do, and I'll tell you exactly why in a minute. Second test, debugging. Where cheap models usually embarrass themselves, this script has 3 planted bugs. One obvious, one subtle, one that only crashes at runtime. Find them, explain them, fix them, prove it runs. 3 for 3. An assignment operator where an equality check should be, that's a syntax killer. A missing pair of parentheses on datetime.now, subtle, easy for humans to miss. An unquoted dictionary key that only blows up at runtime. Found, explained, fixed, and it ran the corrected script to prove it. Now the honest section, because every video about free tools should have one. 2 things. First, the free tier is real but measured in GPU time, not tokens. Session limits reset every 5 hours, weekly limits every 7 days. A session like this one barely dents it. But if you are hammering it daily, $20 a month buys 50 times the allocation. Second, in my last video, I warned you about an HTML generation bugs, that is doubled tags, mangled output. Good news is that I retested it on the updated model and it's fixed. Here is why this combination works when other free options fail. Claude Code isn't a chat window, it's an agent loop, and that loop runs on tool calling. Most free models either don't support it or break halfway through. Gemma 4 has native function calling, which is why both demos ran end-to-end. If you want a free model inside Claude Code, tool calling is non-negotiable, and this is the one that has it. One command, no GPU, no download, no subscription. Links in the description. If you want to see this build something bigger, like a full REST API, agents running in parallel, tell me in the comments because that video is already in the works. See you in the next one.